Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School welcomes you again to our digital art room. Myself, Tasneem, is here again for another excited, colorful video of art subject. So let's get ready, kids, with your drawing books, pencil, eraser, and colors. Children, let's revise our previous chapter. You remember, kids? We learned how to draw freehand curve lines similar to S and mirror image of S. And in next chapter, we even use these curved lines to make leaf and floral shapes. I had even shown you the curved shape designs in nature. So, let's pick up one of those and learn something new today. So today, kids, we are going to learn symmetrical designs of a leaf. Now what you will say, what is symmetrical, teacher? So let's understand that first. Symmetrical means something which is same on both the sides. A shape has symmetry if a central dividing line, or you can say a mirror line, can be drawn on it to show that both the sides of the shape are exactly the same. Here you can see a square, a triangle, an oval, even a face has a symmetry. So, let's start and learn in a way of drawing. First, make a dividing line or say a mirror line and make any shape of the leaf on one side of the line. Just follow the video, kids, the way I am doing. Now after doing the half part, you just have to copy it on the other side of the line. Okay, I'll make it simple for you, kids. Just stand in front of the mirror, holding this drawing, touching this mirror line or a dividing line on the mirror. You have to achieve the same thing in your drawing which you see in the mirror. Got it, kids? Complete the drawing, and if you are having any mistakes, you can erase it and do it again. But draw it lightly so that if you erase it, the mark of the pencil. Now, let us start the coloring. I will take a light green color and color the edges first. Color the edges first carefully so that the color does not cross the line which we have made. You can use any color. Now, in upward and downward motion, lightly handle your color, hold the crayon in a slant position and do not tighten your hand from the wrist. Color it carefully so that your color does not go outside the line. Now, color the second half. When you are done with the light green part, now I will take a dark green color for the second part. The same way color the second part. First, I will do the edges Carefully do the edges so that the color does not go outside the line and the mirror line. Color it carefully. Color the edges first. Color it so it does not mix with the color next to it. And then the inner part with the left and right motion. Just be careful, kids, so that the color does not go out of the line. And continuously move your hand slowly in one direction. Cover any white parts left. See, this will be the result. Now, to make it simple for you, I will show you one trick. Do you have square line paper for maths? Yes, you can draw the leaf on the square line with a mirror line and just copy the dots where your drawing is connecting. Now join the dots carefully and see the drawing too. With the help of a square line paper, you will be perfect with your drawing of a symmetry. I hope you liked, kids. This will be your final result. Children, practice this in any rough book or square line book, which will help you to make in drawing art book when you receive it. Like and subscribe for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.